Hi everyone, in front of me I've got my iPhone N23 and let me share with you how to add the Phototech contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Then let's find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it, so for example Timmy. Then tap on the edit icon, so the pencil icon, and let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So let's tap on add picture, and now we've got 3 different sections from which we can choose a photo from. Let's start with the illustrations. Those are online, they are available online. So here the graphics are free of charge, so simply find the graphic which is suitable for this person you'd like to customize the contact for, and then apply it. Here we've got Google Photos, and basically here you've got all your backed up photos and device photos, so those which are I don't want it. So those which are saved in your internal memory. You can enter the gallery or tap on the camera, and then your device will open the camera app. So of course this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. So I will pick something from the gallery, let me tap on it, and then let me tap on this one. And right now in this step we can change the position of the photo. We can also zoom it in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted area, this highlighted circle, is responsible for it. So all you have to do right now is to tap on choose, and as you can see the photo will be immediately applied, and if you are happy with the results, remember to tap on save in the right upper corner. So here we've got our contact with our photo assigned. Of course, you will be able to see it on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.